Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use the glitch transition in Filmora 12 and 13, right? So open your transitions, and in transition go to the transition list, and in list you search the glitch transition, right? So first I import my media clip and I divided it into some parts, right? Now in these parts I use the glitch transition, right? So click on the glitch transition, and from here you click on it to download your transition, right? I have already done I have already downloaded some glitch transition, right? So first I double click on it. So you then select your clips, right, and then drag and drop your transition, then select another clip. Now we use the transition one by one on these clips, right? Now click on the title, then in titles custom, and in custom move that, and now click to overlap, right? Now I apply the all transition on my this video clip, right? Now I play it first I render it. It is used for the smooth playback, right? When you create the preview render for smooth playback. Now I play this, right? So I play on the full screen, so I play it. So in this short video we learn the glitch transition or how to apply on any video, right? So just click on the transition, and in transition you go to the transition list, right, and then search it the glitch, and from here you downloaded your transition, and then drag and drop, right, and apply your videos, and from here you click on the export button, and from here you export your video. Thank you.